in the full-length feature race.
The outside of Maverick Vinales. He's off to a great start. He's trying to go wheel to wheel with Perdana Oliveira.
I think there was contact. Marques was super aggressive. Marques did actually touch each other there going through that turn 3. Oliveira sensing maybe a historic victory here.
History repeated itself for 16.
Well, he had a problem with the launch control yesterday, didn't he? As soon as he clicked second gear, the bike just didn't host, and the sprint disappeared yesterday. Safely through this time around. He's in between both Marques and Martin. He just had to momentarily...
Last year's Aprilia leads this Grand Prix in the Hattie.
What a boost this is as well, isn't it, for Aprilia R now? They are such a wretched bad, aren't they? Brad Binder's had a good first. That put 4 places into 10.
They've been closed back down again. The two Ducatis that enjoyed the best of the sprint yesterday. Bagnaia and Martin quickly up
by Pecco Bagnaia. Now then, at the front of this Grand Prix already. Coming to the conclusion. 4-5-9 sets his stall. Marques! He has absolutely slammed into Miguel Oliveira. And he's hurt. Turn 2 now in the braking zone. Oh, he just gets it all wrong. All wrong. He did clip. He just pitched him further forward. Absolutely. Boy, Martin, which put Martin wide at turn 3. At the beginning as well, Marques was aggressive, wasn't he? Also in the same part of the circuit.
To tell you that Maverick Vinales is quicker than Bagnaia for the last 3 laps. Consecutive. Quite another. The stars aligning for Maverick.
He did it over the last couple of years at Honda for Alex Marques. In fact, top 10s with good results. A little bit too hot there offline, wasn't he, Jack? He dared squeeze that front brake anyhow. I did say big improvements this year on the factory Ducati, which he requested from Bologna.
His personal best lap of the Grand Prix, 1:39, 1:42. Bagnaia later on.
Vinales winless since the opening Grand Prix. Ducati not be close enough to slip up the inside of Bagnaia on the brakes into the 3rd gear, first corner. That's where
2023 Aprilias of Espargaro and Vinales, and it's actually Aleix Espargaro who
saved his career, wasn't it, in 2021 when Maverick Vinales had that winning start for CP teammate Aleix Espargaro. So the Aprilias are starting to find their
lines. Brad Binder's having a fine afternoon, given the neck pain that he is in. He's just done a
1:8.875, asking now big questions of Vinales. The advantage
of comfortably lapping the low 39s, keeping Vinales at bay. Clearly
a couple of tenths behind Luca Marini and Fabio Quartararo in 10th. A bit of daylight between himself and Alex Marques. That gap now
harder front tyre in this Grand Prix. He'll be hoping that it will pay him some dividends the longer this race goes in. Marques, Miller and Binder all closing up together. It's going to be a real
tough old year. He kept on pushing. Gear is for Fabio Quartararo. He's 7 seconds behind A23, Lewis, at all.
Yamaha will be pouring through the data at the end of this weekend, working out one by Paul Stars. If he got off the line well yesterday, he wouldn't be anywhere near to Amir. Already done. There is still the possibility for Quartararo to close in on Luca Marini up X.
It's a clash ride, isn't it, as well, by Marco Bezzecchi. He crashed 3 team towards Maverick Vinales. 3rd may get even better for the Italian.
To KTM, they've exceeded expectations already this weekend. Being fast today, up in 4th place, and a potential 5th and 6th for them.
He's just keeping that pressure on Pecco Bagnaia.
He has to get back on it.
The endurance and the durability to be a little bit better with the hard front. And I think that was Miller attacking Alex Marques on the brakes in the 1st gear turn.
Marques is back ahead of Jack Miller. He must have got him down the pit straight.
This sort of engaging between Marques and Miller.
Further behind that battle you can see, which has been tailed by Zarco and Espargaro. You'll see Luca
again. He loves that turn 13, doesn't he? Jack Miller. I remember it was a moment on the rear tyre there at full lean angle through turn number 15. As that cost him ridiculous, wasn't it? The speed differential there between Alex Marques with a bit of slipstream.
But take the advantage. I think he has gone through. Quartararo now through into 9th.
First top 3 in a full-length Grand Prix this season. What's going to happen?
Throwing everything he can, company. This 5-way battle for 4th place races on.
And how on earth is Brad Binder in now through turn number 9? If Brad Binder takes a 4th place here from Alex... Well, Marques just got it unsettled, didn't he, over that crash, dropping down through turn number 11.
And he hold off Marques down the main straight, though. That Ducati, once it gets into its straight.
Vinales into the braking zone for turn number 1. Alex Marques place, but that's not a given with 4 laps to go. Binder, all in contention. This is going to be 6 or 7 right. That's not the sort of character Maverick Vinales is.
Bayers, we see Binder put his hand out, it looked like, as he came onto the... And Quartararo all battling for P4.
Yeah, Leighton more yellow flags out in sector 2. We know it's not the race leader patented by Marc Marquez. Now Ralph Hernandez dumps it as well.
Zarco through on Aleix Espargaro once again. Fabio Quartararo, because he's now picked up Aleix Espargaro, who's going back.
He's like one of those little terriers that just nips around your ankles, isn't he? He will make the perfect start to defence of his crown, although Maverick Vinales hands of Alex Marquez.
Yeah, the KTM's...
A late charge pinch coming in from Vinales. Bagnaia has response. Zarco Binder. You bet there is. He's got the inside line going through Turman. That takes fourth place away from Alex Marquez. In the top left-hand corner of your screen. Oh, that was tight. Really tight. Zarco